All right, let's check it out. Hey, there's my cat. Her name is Key. All right, you can see I got a lot of boxes here. They're all empty, but I gotta throw them out, bring them to storage. Which I have a storage here in the building, which is super convenient. So here's the kitchen, very small. Everything's small, guys. This is a great piece. Lithograph from Tom Poirier, a friend of mine back in New Hampshire. We used to airbrush together. Thank you, Tom. Another lithograph. I have the living room slash office. I will get a piece of furniture here. I need a coffee table and a couch for maybe some visitors, hopefully. This is from Ray McIntyre, another friend from New Hampshire. We used to airbrush together. Great airbrush piece. This is from Eddie, the guy who does motorcycles. Check out the detail on the pinstriping and the ghosted face. Very cool. That's a guitar I've had since high school, and I painted it, so I keep it more out of memorabilia. Really, I don't play anymore. And this is the view I have. Unfortunately, it's not as nice as the view I was supposed to get with the other apartment, but whatever, it works. The sun sets right over there, so it's beautiful in the evening. I like the wraparound windows. That's where all the work's gonna get done. Take a look at the bedroom. Real basic. Here's artwork from my father. Thanks, Dad. And a pass-through closet goes straight into the bathroom. Yeah. Shower. I love showers. Anybody out there hate bathtubs? I never use bathtubs. So anyway, that is it. Key seems to like the new place, and so do I.